A group of urban explorers went to investigate an abandoned campsite in Belgium, and they had no idea what was waiting for them. The campsite had been closed for over 20 years, and locals warned them to stay away, but they ignored it and went anyway. After 15 minutes of exploring, they saw a flash of light in the distance and hurried toward it, thinking someone needed help. But what they didn't know was that they were the prey. A woman emerged holding an axe and started sprinting directly at them. They ran screaming back to their car and called the police. Officers searched for hours, but never found her. So the question remains, was it really a woman or something else entirely?